So guys, maybe you've probably seen those screenshots online of people posting made $500 this week with AI. Maybe some people posting AI training paid my rent, remote AI jobs are changing lives. And guys, honestly, this looks exciting. So what do? You go online, you search for the same AI training jobs that are being mentioned, you open the application page, and then you see a message like this one. This position is not available in your country. Okay. And actually that is where most people make a very big mistake. They start searching for proxies. Some go to an extent of searching for VPNs. Some also go for fake US accounts. They buy profiles. Okay, there are those who even go to an extent of paying strangers online to verify accounts for them. But guys, let me just be honest with you. I want to tell you the truth right now. That shortcut can really destroy everything. Okay, these AI companies are not stupid. They track your IP address. You have to know that. They also track your browser, your device, your time zone, and even how you type. And the moment they notice something is suspicious, guys, your account is gone. Okay? And sometimes it can be banned permanently. And even worse, some people work for weeks, then get banned before they receive their payment. So guys, just imagine losing all your work just because of a fake location. Okay, so guys, I am going to show you the best AI training jobs you can apply for in an honest way, including how to increase your chances of doing what, of passing the tests that they do have. Okay, and guys, some people are ignoring very big opportunities because what they have in their mind is that they need to pretend to be in a country like America. Guys, you don't have to do that. Okay, you don't have to do that. Don't pretend. So guys, before I even show you the platforms, you need to understand why many people are failing in this AI training jobs. By the way, I've been sharing a lot. You can go and check my previous videos. So guys, a lot of creators online still tell people to buy VPNs. They say just change your location. But that advice is outdated now. 2 years ago, I can say maybe it worked. But today, it is very, very risky. Why? Because the AI companies now are using advanced tracking system. Okay guys? They check your time zone, your browser settings, device details, and even typing behavior. Some platforms now ask for face verification too. You hold your ID card next to your face on camera. So think about it, guys. If your account says New York, but your ID says Kenya, what do you think is going to happen? You are going to be banned instantly, okay? That is why I always tell people, just stop chasing the shortcuts. Focus on platforms that already accept your country, okay? So go for those which accept your country because those are the safest and most stable opportunities, guys. Okay. So the first platform that I want to share today is Alina, and this is one of the biggest names that is growing right now. So in AI training work, you will find this name Alina. Okay, and this Alina is connected to a large AI company that is called Labelbox, if I'm not wrong. And the good thing with this site is that they are open to many countries. And they do hire people for tasks like AI writing, editing, language work, coding, and general AI training. So guys, if you are from a country like India, you can apply using your real information, okay? Don't use any tricks here. It is not needed, okay? And here is something important, guys. If you speak local languages, for example, Hindi, you may actually have an advantage because these AI companies now want regional language. Okay, they want it so much. So the application process is simple. You sign up, okay, and then you go and choose your skill, and then you take a short assessment. So guys, if you pass, they are going to add you directly to the projects, okay? And the pay, some roles start around $15 to $30 per hour, especially for writing or technical work. So go and try that site. It's called Alina. I'm going to put a link on the description. The second platform is Mindrift, guys. And this one has become very popular recently. Mindrift is connected to Toloka AI. And they call their workers AI tutors, okay? Honestly, guys, this platform is good for those people who enjoy reading, those people who enjoy things like writing, including correcting text, okay? And guys, most of the work revolves around writing AI answers, you checking the facts, okay, improving the grammar from the AI content, or making responses sound human. The pay depends on projects. Some simple projects pay less, technical topics pay more. especially if you understand coding, science, finance, or some business topic. You're going to receive a higher pay. Okay, guys, unlike many fake websites online, Mindrift actually allows people to verify using real local documents. So you don't need a proxy in this site. No fake address needed, just honesty. Okay, now let's talk about Outlier AI. And this platform, guys, changes rules so often. I want to be honest with you, okay, about that. Okay, sometimes they post application for certain countries, but many people miss the biggest opportunity that are listed in this site, like language roles. They have coding roles. Okay, and at the moment, this Outlier is searching for people who understand regional languages. These are like your local languages. Okay, so for example, some of the languages that they are looking for are Hindi. Okay, there is Tamil, there is Marathi, there is Gujarati, there is including many others. Okay, you can go and check. Okay, so guys, if you can write naturally in your local language, that skill can become valuable. They also hire coders globally, and these coding projects, they pay very well. Some people earn like $25 to $40 per hour. Okay, and guys, even languages projects can pay well too, and payment is usually come weekly. So yes, guys, if you apply through the correct roles, you're going to find one. Okay, the next platform, guys, is OneForma, and this one is beginner friendly, very beginner friendly. Okay, guys, so if you are scared of difficult tests, start in this site. You can check my previous video. I shared one of OneForma. So this site has many small AI tasks. For example, things like voice recording, image collection, translation work, including a short AI judging task. Okay, so you'll find out that sometimes this site is going to ask you to record phrases using your local accent. Sometimes they might even ask you to upload your photos of everyday objects. Okay, so these tasks, guys, help train AI systems. Okay, guys, and to be honest, the entry barrier is very low. You don't need a university degree to join this site. You don't need experience. You just need patience, including attention to detail. The pay is usually lower than the advanced platforms, but it's a good place to gain experience, especially if you are completely new, okay, to this online space or online work. Okay, guys, so let me just say something important, guys. Do not believe any screenshot that you see online. Okay, some creators make it seem like everyone is making thousands overnight. That is not reality, guys. Sometimes you may apply today and wait weeks before getting the projects. Okay, sometimes you might pass the test and projects become slower. That is normal in AI work. These companies onboard people in waves, so just treat this like a serious side hustle first and not instant riches. Okay, guys, so the people who succeed usually stay patient. I want to be honest with you. They keep learning, they improve slowly, and they also apply consistently. Okay, so how do you actually increase your chances of getting accepted in these AI platforms? First, you have to use stable internet. Okay, and this one matters a lot. So guys, if your internet disconnects during the assessments or tests, some system may fail your test automatically. So before starting any test, make sure your network is stable, your laptop is charged, and your environment is quiet. Second, use US English settings on your browser. And this is very important, guys. So many AI grading systems follow American spelling. So words written in British spelling can sometimes be flagged wrongly. Okay? Third, do not rush. So these tests are not races, guys. Okay? So most are just like open book. So that means you can research answers, you can double check the facts, you can also read the instructions carefully. And guys, accuracy matters more than speed. Always remember that. Okay? So guys, the internet is full of people selling shortcuts, fake accounts, proxy methods, but most of those methods end badly, guys. Okay, and to be honest, you don't need them anymore in 2026 because AI companies are already hiring globally. Okay, guys, they need workers from Nigeria, they need workers from India, they need workers from Kenya. Okay, and many other countries. So guys, because AI needs different language, that is why this is happening. So guys, stop thinking your location is the problem. Your biggest advantage right now, guys, is learning early. Okay, So just pick one or two platforms from this video. I've also shared a lot of other platforms you can go and check. Create your honest accounts, use your real details, practice for the self-assessments, and keep improving your skills slowly, guys, okay? Because one successful AI project can open doors to bigger remote opportunities later. So guys, if you want, I can also make another video, but I'm going to focus on maybe how to pass those tests. So guys, please comment below which one you want next, the video that you want next, and if this video has helped you in any way, please subscribe to this channel. Stay smart, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Remember, this is Smart Money Hustle. I share these sites as soon as I get them. So guys, I wish you all the best. Okay, go and try those sites and see if they are going to work with you. So please subscribe, please hit the notification bell. See you on the next video. Bye. Thank you.